This is a nice little recipe for your next party. You can even make it at Halloween. Nice and tasty and easy. There we go. A little salt, pepper. Come through with some cheese. Jalapenos. There we go. Now check it out. Got a little jack for these Tipsy baked potatoes, just like this. Little brown sugar. This bacon is going to be going on our potatoes as soon as they come out of the oven. They are already baked. Let's go ahead and tap that down, pat it down. Now we have some sour cream right here. And as I said, we have some Tipsy baked potatoes. Everything has a little bit of alcohol in it. This is for adults only, guys. There we go. Shake this up. This is going to be ready. And now we go to the oven with our bacon and potatoes. Right this way. We're going to put it in here. Let that cheese melt. Let that bacon get nice and candied, and we'll be right back. And here we go. We are back with our Tipsy baked potatoes, straight out the oven, still hot. Go ahead and grab this and use the leftover juice just like this. There we go. Got our bacon nice and candied. Go ahead and grab it, chop it up, that out the way. There we go. Now we have our vodka sour cream sauce, just like this. Come through with the candied bacon with the Jack Daniels. And we top it off with some chives, just like this. Go ahead and grab one. Nice Tipsy baked potato, guys. get some of this yummy bourbon glaze, and we cover them completely. If you have to twist it, you can. Just make sure that they are nicely covered, front and back. Now we come and we place this on these chopped pecans. Let's go ahead and lay it down all the way, and we cover them. Alright guys, now we're gonna go ahead and grab them and place them on these grilled slices of oranges. And as we place our last two, we're gonna go ahead and start to flip them and grill them. Be nice and gentle so the crust does not fall off. Let's go ahead and grab two and flip them, and they will help our shrimp cook. Alright guys, these smell like they're about ready. Let's go ahead and flip them over and place them on this plate carefully. And remember, we do have those toothpicks in there. We will be taking them out right before we get down to business. Alright guys, we're going to place the last one right here. Going to go ahead and get these potatoes and we move on. Alright guys, we are back from the oven with our baked potatoes, and yes, they are hot. We're going to go ahead and grab some and carefully place them here, just like that. Now we're going to go ahead, cut in half. Get that, and this, and this. Now we're going to go ahead and move this out the way, and we open these up. Beautiful. They are piping hot, so you gotta be careful. Go ahead, flip this. Woo. All right guys, go take this off. We're gonna take some of this out, just like that, and we place it in our bowl. We do the same with all of them. And now we're gonna go ahead and grab, guess what? You got it. Little cheddar, some chives, our compound butter, so delicious. And go ahead and swirl this around. And what is it? It is butter, bourbon, pecans, brown sugar, and maple syrup. We're gonna go ahead and mash this all together. Loaded mashed potatoes. We're gonna go ahead. We don't want to lose any of it, so let's scrape that off quickly. Now we're gonna go ahead and place it right there. Fits like a shoe. Nice. I'm gonna go ahead and place just a bit on back into every single potato that we carved out nicely. And now we're gonna go ahead and grab these and bring them right over here. We do the same with the rest of them. Make sure not to lose any of that nice potato and cheese. And we are not done yet, so we're gonna go ahead and move on this way. We are back with our cheesy, fully loaded baked potatoes and our yummy shrimp. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab some of these guys and place them right over here, as so. There we go. Slide them right next. I'm going to slide them on there. Beautiful. We place our last slice here. Add just a few cherry tomatoes here and there. Beautiful color, beautiful freshness, nice taste, and we dig in. Delicious.